Everything else, everything on top of that, whether it is being able to float more consistently, to float longer, or to have a better alignment, or to divorce the wall, all that comes and will come in time, but will come in increments. It won't happen overnight, and the success roadmap to get from where you are towards those goals is to have clarity, and the goal of my course is to give you clarity. So again, be realistic when it comes to the time frame in which you want to experience success. Even when you are clear on what you are supposed to be doing, given your body, your strengths, your weaknesses, your schedule, it still takes time. The idea is to convert years into months, but it certainly never is a matter of weeks. I invite you, if you haven't read it, I invite you to have a look at my blog post in the free resources of your course. That is called the 14 Peaks of Handstands, and that gives you an idea of what can be achieved from one macro cycle to the other.